In this video, I'll show you how to fix the camera bug or glitch in Roblox Mobile. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. We really do appreciate it. And do make sure you watch this video right until the end to the full steps, and let's go and get straight into this. So the first fix I recommend doing is actually go and try changing the Roblox game. Sometimes specific Roblox games actually just cause problems with the camera, so it's definitely worth going and trying a different game to see if it's actually Roblox causing the problem or if it's just a game. But it may also just be that specific server glitching, so definitely try leaving the game and then rejoining it, and hopefully you'll then be put in a different server completely. A second fix you can try is changing the Roblox settings. So all you want to do is go to the top left and press on the Roblox icon just like so, and then all you need to do is go and press on settings, and then once you're in settings we've got a few different things we want to go and try and change. The first one is camera mode. As you can see at the moment it's set on default. You tap it, you can try classic, you can try follow. So just try switching the camera mode to see if that has got any impact in it as well. And there's also a few other camera settings which may be causing the problem. For example, camera inverted, or maybe movement mode, which is making you think there is some problem with the camera, or in reality it's just another setting. So definitely go and try changing those. However, if the issue is still occurring, then it's definitely worth fully shutting off Roblox and restarting it. So to do that on an iPhone, all you need to do is swipe up just like so, close it, and then you can go and open up Roblox again. And then all you need to do is tap on the Roblox app again, and it's going to go and reload it. That's quite a common fix and can often actually solve the problem of the camera glitching and just not working properly. And if you're still having problems, then it's definitely worth checking if there's any updates. So go to the App Store just like so, and go and search for Roblox. We'll just wait for it to load. So go and click on search, go and type in Roblox, and then it's going to go and say if there's any updates. If it says open, this means you've got the most up-to-date version of Roblox. If the issue is still pursuing, you could even try fully deleting the app as well. And I know you can do this on Android as well, and then you can try re-downloading it. And if the issue is still happening after that, then try another device to see if it's your specific device causing problems with the camera, and you can go from there. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a like for more. Peace.